In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear messages on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. If you want to delete one particular message, first off, get into a conversation. And once you find the message you would like to delete, long press on it, tap at More. On the next step, you will be able to select multiple messages to remove all of them at once. You can select several messages, or you can keep just one message selected. After that, to delete all the selected messages, tap at Trash Bin and then tap at Delete. Also, we are able to delete the entire conversation. So, search for a conversation you would like to delete, then swipe to the left, and then tap at Trash Bin and then Delete. Keep in mind that that action will delete all the messages in that conversation. If you would like to delete all the conversations from your list of chats here, or several conversations at once, you need to tap right here where it says Edit, then tap at Select Messages, and then you will be able to check mark some conversations you would like to delete. Also, if you would like to select all of the conversations, you can just drag it in that way. And then, to delete them, tap right here at Delete, and then delete again to delete all the selected conversations at once. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.